A very good morning to the Excellencies and my dear friends. Today I am here to speak about promoting sustainable entrepreneurship and business. So I would like to say that government should remember that to be innovative and entrepreneur needs not only deep knowledge about their prospective business because also a clean understanding of the history and cultural context in which his or her business is placed, because without knowledge of history, culture and social structure and organization, a business person will not be correctly gauge people's needs and find effective ways to turn their social force. So, government need to promote education to improve the knowledge of history, culture, politics, sociology and even philosophy as well as technology. It will also have to provide a strong safety net and a helpful loan program so that people can try a new business without worries and the fear that shrinking labor force will hamper sustainable economic growth. In this connection, it pointed out that female participation in economical activities was relatively low. It called efforts by the businesses community to enable women in their 13s and 14s to retain employment even after giving birth to a child. This is a special point because both government and businesses set down clear goals to ensure continued employment for women and putting restraints on social welfare benefits and increasing tax revenues, although waste in social welfare must be eliminated. The government must realize that the reduction of social welfare benefits will lead people to save more money, thus leading to a contraction of the economy. And the tax increases are also a factor that can prolongate deflation. Thank you.